I'm going to be showing you how to split screen on Android. Split screen mode is a great way to multitask on your phone, allowing you to use two apps at the same time. This can be helpful for things like watching a video while you're browsing the web, or taking notes while you're watching a lecture. How to split screen on Android. First of all, let me tell you about the device I am currently recording this video. I am using a Pixel 7a with Android 14. Even if this is recorded on Android 14, this tutorial should look the same on other versions as well. To split your screen with two apps, you will need first to open the apps. So please open the apps before splitting it on the screen. I will open to test this option the Opera browser and the calculator. Now the apps are opened. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the recent screen. Long press on the app icon for the first app. Tap Split Screen. Tap the second app that you want to use in split screen mode. Now the screen is split in two. You can adjust the size of the split screen windows by simply dragging the divider between the two windows. You can also make one window the primary window by tapping on it. This will make the primary window larger and the secondary window smaller. Of course, you can switch to another app, and when you come to the recent screen, you will be able to come back to the split screen. To exit split screen mode, simply drag the divider all the way to the top or bottom of the screen. Now let's talk about some tips and tricks for split screen. Not all apps support split screen mode. To see if an app supports split screen mode, open the app and then tap the Recents button. If the app icon has a split screen button, then the app supports split screen mode. If you have a phone with a large screen, you can use split screen mode to open two apps side by side. This can be really helpful for multitasking, such as watching a video while you're browsing the web. You can also use split screen mode to open a website in one app and a document in another app. This can be helpful for research, as you can easily compare two sources of information. If you're using split screen mode and you want to open a third app, you can do so by swiping up from the bottom of the screen to open the recent screen. Then, tap the plus button at the top of the screen. This will open a list of all of your apps. Select the app that you want to open, and it will open in a new split screen window. If you're using split screen mode and you want to close one of the apps, simply tap the X button in the top right corner of the app window. That's all there is to it. Split screen mode is a great way to multitask on your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.